Hi my amazing chefs! Welcome to Recipe Specialty, where we show you how to make a variety of recipes from eggs to eggceptional. In this video I'm going to make my last meal request, a little prime rib action. Prime rib! When it comes to beef, I'm a naturalist. The flavor of the meat alone is usually good enough for me. All I use is the prime rib and good old salt and pepper. Before you even mess with anything, prep your oven and get that bad boy up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure you've let the roast sit out at room temperature for at least 30 minutes. It's going to take some time to reach that temp. You should have enough time to prep the roast. Pat the entire cut of beef dry with paper towels on all sides. Then, season thoroughly with salt and pepper throughout the entire cut of beef. You want that seasoning everywhere, just to give it a nice coating. I've made quite a few prime ribs in my time, with various binders like olive oil, mustard, mayonnaise, egg wash, anything that would lube up the outside of the meat to let the spices stick to it. But I don't think that's necessary. Just season the meat directly, it'll stick onto it. Next, set the meat in a roasting pan and pop her in the oven. The time it takes to roast is dependent upon many factors, so you should really rely on a meat thermometer. But what I do is sear the roast at 500 for 15 minutes, and then, without opening the door, lower it to 325 and cook for 13 minutes per pound, and it comes out perfect every time. Trust me, you'll love it. It works. If you all liked this video, do me a huge favor, hit that like button, subscribe, check out the website. Ultimately, let's eat!